Hi there, my name is GOYAL here at EVERTZ. Over here we're going to be talking about Magnum OS, our orchestration, monitoring, and control and analytics engine that allows you to not only manage your flows and your devices inside the facility, but also have complete monitoring and real-time analytics that help you manage the system even more so. Magnum OS has been designed to allow you to operate not only an SDI environment, but an SDI to IP, an IP environment, or even a hybrid where you've got SDI IP and the cloud if you wanted to. So it's a comprehensive orchestration system that allows you to manage flows across multiple platforms. So what you see here is the fact that Magnum allows us to integrate with third-party devices using NMOS, ISO4, and ISO5. As a registration and control system, any third-party device that's available in the market that supports NMOS will be able to be discovered, and then we can move flows from those devices across the network. Magnum will allow us to manage IP flows, 2110, 2110-20, 22-30, across the network. And that network can continue or consist of not only EVERTZ's EXE and NATX, but also third-party COT systems like Cisco, Arista, and others. So what you see here is more the configuration side of things, but here on this side is the analytics. So you're getting a real-time view of what's happening in the system. You can see when there's been incidents, what you're tracking, and how to resolve those top incidences. So we're actively looking at the system constantly by looking at the different logs, information that's been provided through the system from all the different devices. From that perspective, how customers will actually interact with Magnum OS will be through our view. So view is that user interface that allows you to visualize or interact with the system and allows you to do it on a contextual basis. So operators can look at the tools they need to complete the tasks that they're doing. So if I'm an operator that needs to have routing controls, I can have that. If I'm looking at someone who's managing doing some TOC and looking at the playout, I can do that as well. So in this case, I'm being alerted that there's a problem. I can switch to the different channels and have controls about making those adjustments for any problems that I've found.
Girls, ladies.
And again, you not only have that, you can also do it through a router control surface here or your traditional control panels here. Okay, go. So in this section here, we're showcasing Bravo Studio. Bravo Studio has been designed to help us to create content with smaller teams, but high quality, consistent content. What you see here is the interface where the operator will be able to switch between program video and preview video. So I can switch between the different actions and take different elements there, or I can do it through our new hardware panel that allows us to do the same transition and take elements there. The big thing about Bravo Studio is the fact that you're able to create multiple feeds from a system that can run on-prem or in the cloud as well. When we're doing sort of more larger sort of production in which we need more kind of audio handling, we have introduced the Vista Bravo. This is a 12-fader audio mixing board that allows us to bring all the mics and everything else, pre-mix it, and then feed it into Bravo Studio. So this allows us to really have a complete production suite of tools to create high-quality content. So in this section here, we're highlighting Reflector, our on-ramp for the cloud. So one of the challenges you have as you're moving onto the cloud or leveraging any kind of cloud services is the ability to handle all the various signal types that are being available to you. So whether it's an SRT stream, a RIST or a ZXE stream, or even just a general transport stream, the fact that we need to bring in these signals and be able to normalize it and then transcode it and create a unicast replication to service the other resources that may need a different format. So for example, I may have cloud resources that require an NDI signal, and I may be receiving a series of SRT or RIST. But what Reflector does, it takes that RIST or that SRT, will normalize it, so I can do things like frame syncing, up-down cross converter, and then I will convert it to an NDI stream and replicate those NDI streams to the different instances that require it. On the other way, where I may have cloud resources I don't want to share and bring down to a facility, I can bring in the different formats from multiple locations and normalize it to bring it down into the production, where I am bringing it to maybe a 2110 or a SRT stream that can be easily integrated into my facility. This is GOYAL here at the EVERTZ stand at IBC2023 for DiddleProduction.tv.